In this video, I will show you how to take photos and videos with your mobile by adding GPS location easily. Go to Google Play Store and search Timestamp Camera. Install Timestamp Camera. After install, open Timestamp Camera. Allow all permission. Now click the watch icon to change some settings. Select font color to change color. Select your font. Select your text we're showing on phone. Select your date and time format. Select your GPS location, I choose default one. After do that, click OK. See GPS location showing on camera top right corner. That's it, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.